regret at ang decision may relationship. Ibig sabihin, foolish decision will create more regrets. Wise decision will create fewer regrets. Let me just say this to you. You cannot completely eliminate regrets. Kahit gano'n ka kagaling, cannot. Sometimes God will use that regret for you to change your life. Pag wala kasing panghihinayang, paano mo makalaman at marirealize na kailangan mo magbago? Kapag tama, matalino, pinag-isipan, kasi madalas tayo reaction, hindi response. At madalas sa pinangihinayangan natin, pinagsisisihan natin, hindi yung response, kundi yung reaction. Yung galit natin, na dahil sa galit natin, nakapagsalita tayo ng masama. If you will learn to make wiser, better, well-thought decisions in our life, mababawasan natin ang regrets sa ating buhay. Decision na nakabase sa salita ng ating Panginoon.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share.